doing at MarineMax Dallas. And we're going to take a look at the Sea Ray 19 SPX. So, nice size cockpit for a 19-foot boat. That's one of the things that everybody always says after the first time they've seen this boat is it does have a lot of room inside considering its size. Nice built-in cooler. That'll drain directly down into the bilge. When your ice melts, your bilge pump will just take care of the water melt for you. Storage built into the side, as well as a nice in-floor ski locker. Now this one was ordered with the second of the two seating options. There's one with twin bucket seats and there's others with this bench seat. So the nice thing about the bench seat is if you want to sit two people next to each other, you can, but if somebody still wants to sit kind of like a bucket seat facing forward, that cushion removes and slides underneath to stay out of the way. And then you can use that seat also as a forward-facing seat as you want, if you want to. Also, if somebody wants to face backwards while they're watching somebody get towed on water toys, this back cushion also removes, so somebody can sit with their back here and looking out the back of the boat, because you do have that nice walk-through transom. So pretty smart layout from Sea Ray. Captain seat does have a flip-up bolster on it, so if you do like to sit up a little higher when you drive the boat, makes it nice and easy to do that for you. This boat also has a Rockford Fosgate sound system. It's going to get you 4 speakers. They put out a lot of sound for 4 speakers. It's also Bluetooth compatible, as well as a USB port and an auxiliary jack that you can just plug your phone in. This boat does have a Simrad Go 5 built into the dash. That's going to get you downscan sonar, as well as color chart plotting and GPS. It also has a cookie crumb feature where you can leave a trail behind you. So if you're on a foreign lake and you're not sure where to get back to the ramp, you can just trace your steps back. So really nice feature. Nice storage built into the companion side helm area. Lots of room in there for life jacket bags, your covers, anything extra that you're going to be bringing out with you. Moving up to the bow of the boat. Boat does have a nice size bow. The 19-foot model from Sea Ray has the exact same size bow as the 21-foot model, so you get a 21-foot size bow in a 19-foot boat. So abnormally large bow for the boat. Kids love it because there's lots of room to spread out up here, and you know, boat has a maximum seating capacity of 10 people, so a lot of seating for a 19. And of course, this boat also has a water sports tower to tow all the kids on the tubes and wakeboards. So, hope you enjoyed the brief walkthrough of the boat. If you've got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call at 972-436-9979. Thanks a lot. We look forward to talking to you soon.